this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this rather famous wine estate and winery in the heart of the Saint-Emilion appellation of the Bordeaux wine region of France. This is a chateau that was classified as a Grand Cru Classé in the 2012 classification of the wines of Saint-Emilion. Yes, we are looking at how to pronounce the name Château Cadet Piola. Château Cadet Piola with the typical French pronunciation. It'd be fine to say Château Cadet Piola. Château Cadet Piola, as long as you do not pronounce the T at the end of Cadet. Do not say Château Cadet Piola. Château Cadet Piola, no. Rather, Château Cadet Piola. Typical French pronunciation again, Château Cadet Piola. Château Cadet Piola. I hope this video was useful. Here is a video if you'd like to learn more about the famous 2012 classification of the wines from Saint-Emilion, updated from 1955. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.